In a world where algorithms remember your birthday and bots know your heartbreak, a new kind of relationship is quietly forming. Not between people, but between humans and machines. AI companions are no longer science fiction, they're becoming soul fiction. In 2023, a chatbot named Replika made headlines when users reported falling in love with their AI companions. By 2025, apps like Anima, Eva AI, and Blush are hosting millions of users who are texting, dating, and even crying with these bots. The AI learns your quirks, your humor, your trauma. It listens, something many humans struggle to do, and that's the secret sauce. According to a report by MIT Tech Review, 67% of users said their AI companion helped with loneliness. But at what cost? Mental health crises, post-pandemic isolation, and the overwhelming pace of modern life have made authentic human connection harder than ever. Therapy is expensive. Relationships are messy, but AI is always there. Psychologist Dr. Sherry Turkle says, "We expect more from technology and less from each other." From her book, Alone Together, there's no rejection, no judgment, just comfort. But is this real love or just really smart code? Not everyone's cheering. Some experts warn AI companions could blur the lines between emotional reality and digital fantasy. Worse, some bots have been caught giving inappropriate advice, reinforcing unhealthy behaviors, or creating dependency. In 2024, Italy banned Replika's AI chat for minors due to emotional manipulation. Even the creators admitted, "We didn't expect people to get this attached." Are we emotionally outsourcing the hardest parts of being human? This is bigger than just romance. In Japan, AI is now used to help elderly with loneliness. In the US, it's being tested in therapy sessions. In 2025, OpenAI released a model capable of long-term memory, remembering your life story, your struggles, your dreams. It begs the question, will the future of friendship be artificial? Or will it help us rediscover what it means to be human? Maybe we're not falling in love with machines. Maybe we're falling in love with the reflection of who we wish we could be. Perfectly understood, always heard, never left behind. In the age of artificial connection, what makes us truly human? Subscribe for more 5-minute deep dives on the future that's already here.